blue sky above me. I am in the sky, just feeling like I'm in the sky. The sun popping out from the clouds. Just see the mesmerizing view. Hi friends, today is the 14th day of my 21-day challenge and a very good evening. You might be surprised when I did good evening to you. As always I used to say good morning. Actually what happened today, it was heavy raining in the morning and so I couldn't do my challenge, but when the evening came the sky was a bit clear and the sun came out, and then I thought, thanks God, it's the best way to complete the challenge. So I took the evening ride so as to complete my challenge of 21 days, constant ride of 40 kilometers. Today friends, I have taken a route which is filled with nature. So let me and you be with the nature today and just enjoy the scenic beauty. Come on, let's ride into the nature. See the evening sky. The sun is behind the clouds and this is how the evening looks, giving a new hope for next day, isn't it friends? And see the nature around. see the sky. Come see the cow coming back to their home. The blue sky above me. I am the sky, just feeling like I'm in the sky. Really enjoying the evening ride, sharing moments with you. Wonderful time, wonderful moments, wonderful memories. An evening ride. So calm and quiet. This is what we always want. peace of mind. The tea gardens of Tinsukia. You can just see what a lovely evening it is. Friends, I'm really enjoying this evening, right? As morning shows a new day to come, a new challenge to fight, so does the evening, which teaches you, find whatever has gone, let the bygones be bygones. Today let me sleep, and tomorrow I will start afresh. Such a wonderful evening. It reminds you that again tomorrow I will be back with new challenge, new vision. The evening sky, which is taking a rest, to again come back to life tomorrow. This is what life teaches us. Never give up. You can see pit. They are putting the paddy seeds. I have already made some videos on cultivation, on plowing. And that was after that plowing, this type of paddy they put inside the soil and just keep it for some time, and then it converts into rice. Hi, I am signing off, and this was Amit, your friends from AaBee's world. AaBee's world, as you know, is a world of traveling, food and fashion. So I am leaving you behind with a memorable evening. I'm leaving you behind with a memorable evening shots. Just see how beautiful the nature is, how beautiful the village is. Where can you find this peace of mind? Isn't it? By the way, this is Amit signing off. Bye bye. So friend, it's the end of today's ride. The lights have come up and I am signing off. That was a beautiful evening that I had today. Keep watching my channel, AaBee's World.